What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Kotlin. My name is QTS Danny and you guys watching my channel Cryowood. Okay, so we have done our lambda. If you've seen here, we have done our lambda. We can pass here our true and false logical, and you've seen the different ways you guys can do. The Kotlin allows you to do different ways, so you guys can write your lambda. Alright, so we're going to get a little bit complicated, and I just want to give you guys a little bit headache. So how we gonna pass lambda to a higher function? So pass lambda to a higher function. So if you guys, if it sounds alien to you, and I'm gonna show you guys. So you guys gonna be, say for example, we are gonna come here, and we're gonna put little bit down. So we're gonna come make this space here, this space for to pass lambda for a higher function. Okay. So we gonna put our function here, and we gonna put our function called wood, for example. Say for example a function called Cryo. So that's my trademark Cryo, and my function Cryo is inside here, and I'm gonna put inside my function Cryo. For example, I'm gonna put a type wood, and which is gonna be the type. It's gonna be wood. I'm gonna name it wood, and I'm gonna put my arrow inside the lambda, and I'm gonna pass here unit. Unit is inside the Kotlin. It's in built Kotlin. It's a type. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in my function, say I'm gonna put a wood, for example. I just want to run wood here. Okay, so now I have a function. It looks, because it's got a fun, and inside here is it's a lambda. So this is a little bit confusing to you guys, because I have this one function, and I inside here I've got a lambda. So if you look in here, this code here is lambda's unit. There is a wood here of type lambda is unit here, and I'm gonna put a wood here. So when I come here, and I'm gonna pass my Cryo here. So I'm gonna put inside, I'm gonna invoke or call the Cryo. Okay, so as you've seen with the function, you guys can call your function here, our invoke call function here. By all means, you guys can call your function, but this function is unusual function because it has a lambda inside. So how I'm going to print, as if I want to print something inside. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to open the curly braces and close the curly braces, and inside this one I'm going to write something. So I'm going to put a print ln. Okay, inside the print ln, you guys know what I'm going to write. I'm going to write welcome to my channel Cryowood, for example. Cryowood, please subscribe. Okay, simple message here, but why I put this one here, because I have a lambda here inside. Instead of I open the curly braces and close the curly braces, but I'm still invoking my function. My function is here. It's got something is here which is very unusual for you guys. You guys, if it sounds alien, this is called lambda inside, because I'm passing my lambda to a higher function. So I'm gonna put it here, and if I run, I just want to display this message. And you guys see here, after the 60, don't get confused, the 60 is this add number here. So after this one, welcome to my channel, there is a typo here. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Is a Cryowood, please subscribe. All right, so that's how you guys pass your lambda channel to higher function. So that's how you guys pass the lambda to higher function. All right, so now you're gonna ask me that what if you have a one parameter here, you pass, how about if you have a two parameter here? Okay, so now we're gonna come here and says function Cryo, because we need to put a different name, double, because we are passing the double parameter. And say for example we put a 8. I think we use 8. Okay, we didn't use 8. We use it. I'll just check if we use 8. We did use 8. So we put a Cryo double, and we put a plus, for example. Plus. because we want to add, and we put a parameter here as before. We put our a is the type int, and say our b is also the type int. So sorry, that's a b. B is also the type int, and this was going to be lambda unit. And what's going to be after that, because it's a function, we have we have opening curly braces and closing curly braces, and you guys can put this plus. Just put a plus here, and what you're going to put a plus, you're going to put a say 100 plus say 700. Okay, and you see here the Kotlin finished completed for us, because that's the type A and type B. And now you have a function which you have a lambda inside with double parameter here, and we're gonna come here and we put a Corayo double, Corayo, not a Corayo double, and inside the Corayo double, what you guys gonna do, you guys opening curly braces, and just like this. And inside that one, you guys can put your A and B. Okay, so A and B, what A and B is gonna go, what you guys want to do with the A and B, you guys are gonna print it, print ln. So you guys can use print ln, and what operations do you want with your A and B? What you guys gonna do is that A plus B, our A multiply B, our A say minus B. So you guys can do double, but not now. In this case, we have only passed one. If you look at here, one, but now we are passing two. So we're putting A and B parameter inside here, and here in our lambda we are displaying this one. So when we're gonna run, because we have a 100 plus 700, it's gonna be 800. So we're gonna run. And you're going to see here my 800 printed, because this function is executing here. That's so Kotlin gives you guys a lot of options for you guys to shorten your code, to be your code is going to be, say, lightwood, so your code is going to be very light and easy, so you guys can do a lot of, you have a lot of options in the Kotlin you can do, as I displayed here with lambda. You can use lambda in more, just not one way but more ways. Just a little bit confusing for you guys at once, but once you guys with a little bit practice, you guys going to be mastering lambda in no time. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys not having a headache by now, because this is a little bit complicated, but by the practice, you guys do a little bit practice, and you guys are going to be mastering lambda. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.